Today, we will walk through how to add your unique Ann Arbor Benchmarking ID number to a property or building you're benchmarking in Energy Star Portfolio Manager if you did not add this unique identifier when setting up your property or building in Energy Star Portfolio Manager for the first time. First, if you do not know your building or property's Ann Arbor Benchmarking ID number, you will need to find it. To do this, go to the benchmarking page in the City of Ann Arbor's website. That is a2gov.org/benchmarking. On this page, click the Covered Building List header, or scroll down the page to the Covered Building List section. In this section, you will find an Excel spreadsheet and a PDF listing all Ann Arbor benchmarking IDs for the current year's benchmarking cycle. The Ann Arbor benchmarking IDs in this list are linked to a street address and a tax parcel ID number. The street address that is linked to an Ann Arbor benchmarking ID in this list may not correspond to the address that you use for day-to-day business at your property. It can sometimes be better to search the list for your Ann Arbor benchmarking ID number by the tax parcel ID linked to your property. For this example, we will assume that our property is at 2200 Fuller Road, which means that our Ann Arbor benchmarking ID is A2BLD-00001. Once you have found your Ann Arbor benchmarking ID number, log into your account in Energy Star Portfolio Manager. In your account, in the My Portfolio tab, in the Dashboard section, click the name of the building that is missing its Ann Arbor benchmarking ID. In the Building Details page, in the Details tab, scroll down to the Unique Identifiers section on the left and click the Edit button. On this new page, in the Standard IDs section, click the drop-down menu below Standard ID-City/Town. Click the Ann Arbor Building ID drop-down option. The unique identifier that is assigned to your building or property for the purposes of benchmarking by the City of Ann Arbor is referred to by the City of Ann Arbor as your Ann Arbor Benchmarking ID number. This number is referred to in Energy Star Portfolio Manager as the Ann Arbor Building ID number. They are one and the same. Once you have selected Ann Arbor Building ID from the Standard ID-City/Town drop-down menu, enter the ID number itself to the right. Enter this exactly as written in the benchmarking covered building list, which means A2BLD-5 digits. For our example, that is A2BLD-00001. Once you have entered the number here, scroll down to the bottom and click Save. You have now added your Ann Arbor Benchmarking ID, or Ann Arbor Building ID, to your building or property in Energy Star Portfolio Manager. You can use this process to add your Ann Arbor Benchmarking ID to any property in Energy Star Portfolio Manager where you did not enter the ID when first setting up the building or property, or if you entered the ID incorrectly when first setting up the property. If at any point you are unable to do this, or you have problems finding your Ann Arbor Benchmarking ID number in the first place, contact the Ann Arbor Benchmarking team at benchmarking@a2gov.org.